Hello, today we will have to work on HP ProBook. That is ProBook 6460B. It's powering, but the issue with it is that the hard disk connector is bad. The hard disk connector is bad. If you can see, the hard disk connector is bad. The hard disk connector is bad. So we need to change this. This is a very risky one. We'll have to calm down and work on it. Replace another one. And we're going to get it from another motherboard and then fix it. So we'll start by dismantling it, but I will skip the dismantling step to facilitate the job. Okay, we have loosed it. This is the motherboard, and see, as you can see, we need to remove this and then take out another one from another place and then fix on this. This is the hard disk connector. Okay, we'll have to use thermal tape to protect these plastics. It will go a long way when we are trying to pull out the other one. It will go a long way protecting the plastic from being melted, and some of the ICs from being overheated by our cooling. This is okay. Remove the RAM. Remove the RAM. In this one, we have to add that is paste, soldering paste, to the solder to help us to desolder it very fast. Because we are going to use hot air. Okay, we are going to use hot air gun to remove them. We'll set our hot air gun high. So a very quick one. So how to be quick. Have to be very fast. Okay, we need to try to clean up where we desolder those small things. Okay, it's ready. You have to find another one, but in the other one you have to pull it out from another board, because I don't have this already, so I have to pull it out from another board. This goes one side. Let's try this. Let me see this board. You have the same type, the same design of connector. So we need to.
Sir, I'll see you go later.
So on this one, we have to make sure we secure this very well, because it's important to us. Very important to us. Avoid being melted away, because we apply heat from the back. So notwithstanding, at least we have applied the automatic. To help it. Have to be very fast on this one. Position it this way, and have to be fast. Apply heat from the under. Oh, it's a quick one. It's a quick one. Yeah, it's out. We'll leave it to cool, and then we'll transfer it to the other one. It's out. So you have to be very careful when doing such jobs, because if you make mistake, you end up burning everything. So we'll take it to the other one. So we have to try to clean the legs of this. You have to be very careful. Without cleaning the legs, it will not contact very firm. Okay, at least the leg is clean. The leg is clean. The leg is clean. So I will still apply. I love applying this a lot because it is my job. Eye soldering. The next thing is okay. Okay, this is the where we are putting it. most times I would like to be very careful in putting this. So but what I advise doing is, what I will do is this, I will do away with it because it will give me a small headache. This small hook that is here, I will do away with it. So I will find a way to know whether I will remove it. Yeah, out. It's out. It's out. So what I'm doing now, I have to be very careful because I have to use my soldering iron to do the rest. And I have to have a clear sight. Yes, hold this one, okay. Hold this one, okay. Then tag this one, okay. It's okay, so I have to do other ones, okay. So that it's one after the other. Because if I make mistake with any of them, it won't pick. Take your time. Take your time and solder them one after the other. It's worth it. Okay, we are through. As you can see, this is the new one we have done. Very neat. I know that hook that is holding it the other side, I removed it for easy installment, for me to install this safely without giving me any headache. It's like this one is shaking. I have to still hold it down and okay, that's a nice one. So I need to apply to clean up the board. With an alcohol. Yeah, yes, as you can see, it's very clean now and fine. So we can couple our board now and test to know whether it's working. Look at the back, everywhere is fine. But before then, I will do one thing. I will apply small hot glue here to add to the support. Because if you put hard disk, let it not add more pressure on this one and pull it up. So let me clean this well. Let me dry it off a bit. Just drying up. Okay, I'll use hot glue. I'll use hot glue. I'll use hot glue. Just to add to the strength a bit. It's not bad, at least to increase the strength. That's all what I need. So now, at least I added small strength using hot glue here and here. So these two ends, I'm done. I have to couple it and test. Okay, it came up, and as you can see, it's loading. Okay, but it's loading. So you have to repair the software. It's reading the hard disk, which is the main thing. So our job is done here. So after this preparation, we pick up.
If you like this video, please subscribe and give us thumbs up. Thank you.